The definition of committed means pledged or bound to a certain course or policy. For the 3-step golf shot, you have to be totally committed to your golf swing. Stick around for me to fully explain, as it will seriously improve the way you think about and how you execute your swing. Important, you have to be at the point where you have mastered the physical part of your game before you can have total confidence, the stage where you do not have to think about your golf swing process anymore. When you start a golf swing, totally trust your judgment and let your body take over the process without thinking. If during any part of the swing you start doubting your aim, the club you have chosen, or target that you are aiming for, your swing will automatically falter. When a swing falters, it changes the direction, pace, and distance of the ball. In fact, nothing planned for that shot is guaranteed any longer. The recipe for a good golf shot is this: practice your golf swing until it is firmly imprinted on your body and in your mind, until it becomes a very fluid, easy movement that you no longer have to consider. It is second nature to you and comes as easily as breathing. Yes, it does take time, and if you have to change your swing for any reason, you must go back to the beginning and start practicing again, until once again your swing is automatic. When your swing is at this level, you should not be having any conscious thoughts and your body will feel totally relaxed. You will notice that there isn't any unnecessary tension in your grip, arms or legs, and you will not be subconsciously holding your breath as you execute the shot. As soon as your body is entirely relaxed about performing any type of golf swing, then the pressure on your mind is abated and it is able to follow your body and totally calm down as well. This is when it does its best work, and you may start playing in the zone where the golf ball just goes exactly where you planned it to. You cannot plan to play golf in the zone, it just happens when everything about your game aligns, but we do know that it requires confidence, focus, relaxation, and the gift of being able to thoroughly enjoy your golf. A point to remember about playing in the zone is that it does not last forever. You may only play one hole, half a round, or if lucky a whole round in the zone, and then it can go. So when this happens, you have to accept it. Because this is how it is for all golfers, even the top professional ones. Now you have the explanation. Here are the 3 steps in brief. Step 1. Commitment to your chosen shot. Step 2. Playing as a confident golfer. Step 3. An accurate, definite, firm golf shot. The outcome is one happy golfer.